Okay, last video got this far, put it in place, marked the line on either side, looks fairly neat. I could double check it with the square, but I'm happy to go with the sliding bevel, but I'm happy to go with that. All I need to do now is possibly straighten that line up a bit, and that one. Square down the face, down the face. Don't need to go all the way, halfway will do. Now we've still got our marking gauge set up from our original mark out. So now this marking gauge setup can be used to, working from the face edge, can be used to mark that line. And that one. And this is the piece that's coming out. What do I need to do now? I need to use the marking knife, the sliding bevel. So that I can scribe the line. Actually, I'm doing the wrong side. I should do that side. Make sure you get it at the right angle. Spot on. Watch your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm only going to do one side first. And then what do I need to do? I need to relieve the edge. Put it back in place. Double check that I'm right. Yes, yes. Yes. Really a little bit inside the line there. Don't know if you can see that knife line I put there is just a tiny bit inside the pencil line. So if I was to mark exactly on the line, that'd be too loose. So I'll cut inside of that line using the same angle. Slide along till it just clicks in there. There you can see it, the gap between the pencil line and the marking knife line. Now, sawing it out. Further. I'm inside the line there. I don't know if that's right or wrong. Better to be too small, I can chisel it off and clean it up, than too big. If it's too big, there's basically nothing you can do about it. Around the other way. Put the toes down to the line. Heel, not toe. Ooh, I think I've gone off. Oh no, I've gone off. How bad's it going to be? Yeah, I can see I've flared out a little bit there. Ooh, I'm not going to get an A for this one. So, now I need to bring the saw in a bit. So I'm twisting the saw to get the nose to go around. Bingo, down to the line. Okay, I think I saved it. Yeah, you can see where I'm out there. It's not a lot. I don't think it'll impact on the joint. All right, now some relief lines to get rid of the waste. One more. Down to the shoulder line, or stop line I should say. Good, good, good. Notice then I didn't do the outside edges, only the centre cut lines, because I don't want to damage these two edges. Okay, now it's your choice whether or not you chisel this direction or that direction. I like the table, as I've shown you before, hold the thing the chisel level until it's in line with the wood. Oh, it got me in the eye. Good thing I've got glasses on. That one's a tiny bit too big and a tiny bit blunt. It's got a bit of glue on it. So now we want to come in from there. Always, you don't go all the way. Halfway. Spin it around. That's not finished yet, but halfway, spin around, come back. Oh, that's chipped right down to the line, so that's exactly where it should be. I won't go any further on that side. So I'll come up high, take the middle out. And we should be pretty close to there. I could do a test fit at this point. It won't go all the way down, but hopefully it'll go in. So it's in. And there you can see that error I made, but I can live with that. Just got to get it down that much further. Got about 3 mil there, 2 mil there. That should clean up okay. So, straight in over there. Now it's a matter of flattening out the bottom. Cleaning up the edges. Both hands on the chisel, none of this business. There's the line we're cutting to. It's looking pretty good. Can't see much scrap in there that's likely to stop it. And down we go. I can see where the problem is. A little bit there, a little bit there. It's not in the cutout, it's in the back of the tail. That part just there. So I've got to take that off. Looks a bit dangerous, and it is. If you're not comfortable, clamp it. I don't think I'm going to cut myself because I'm holding it down and my fingers are way back. So I just want to take that little bit off the middle. Good touching. that side's touching. And it makes sense that side would be touching because when I was cutting through here I didn't go all the way. So now I need to, will that work? No, this will work. No, it won't. I'll have to take it off the back edge. I think it's just that little bit there. Looks dangerous, but I've got the brakes on. I can't go too far. I'm pushing down. So it's very, very unlikely to ride over and hit my fingers. If it does, well, blood will come out and I'll feel like an idiot. But I don't think it's going to. Oh, took too much off. A little bit there. It's good at that point. So from now, it's just a matter of wiggling it down until we get it just so, and you can see there's a little bit of marking gauge line left there. That's what's got to come out. Struggling to get this to go down. Still got a bit of a gap there. Maybe I didn't cut it deep enough. So right along there. I can always take a little bit more out of the bottom, or I can say that'll do. Okay, I only get a B for that one because I've got a gap there. It's not quite level, and an incy-wincy hole there. But test of a good joint as it holds together without glue. Okay, if you can get it that good, I'll give you an A.